Welcome back. Now that we have this new document, we need to go ahead and save it someplace where we're going to remember where it is. So we're going to go ahead and save this as Chapter 1 Outline. So now that we have this saved as Chapter 1 Outline, we're going to change the view in Microsoft Word, and now we're going to go to Outline Mode. And what we basically want to see is we want to see each sentence or each potential slide onto or connected to one of the side dots here, and this is automatically happen once we change it to the outline view. So once again, what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to save this document as it is. And now that we've done that, we can go ahead and close our outline, and we can then open up Microsoft PowerPoint. Now what we're going to do when we get inside of Microsoft PowerPoint is we are then going to go into the View command, and then we're going to go to the Slide Master. And then we're going to scroll all the way up to the top. And when we get here, what we're going to do is we're going to pull this title slide all the way down to the middle. And we can actually get rid of this piece. Once we've done that, then we are then going to go back to our View command, and then we're going to go to the normal view. And what we're going to do now is we're going to import our slides. In order to do that, we're going to go to the New Slide. We're going to click the arrow, and then we're going to pick up slides from Outline. We're then going to go and find our slides from our outline. And we'll see that here, and we'll just click Insert. What you'll see now is that Microsoft PowerPoint has opened up each of those outline points onto its own slide. And so now we have our script ready in order to be narrated. Of course, what we'll want to do is we'll want to go ahead and add in our call to action here at the end. But we now have our slides ready to be worked with inside of both our video creation software, as well as to pick our keywords and everything else that we need to do with the actual script. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.